sensibility and practicality define the 2016 Chevrolet Trax. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and an efficient 4-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including a trip computer, fully automatic headlights, heated door mirrors, and one-touch window functionality. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and rear side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, OnStar, and ABS brakes. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.